thinking of buying from Tanner Shoes? The website looks clean, the shoes look sleek, and the prices aren't bad either. But before you hit add to cart, let's find out if it's actually a legit store or just another online scam. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys ask me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Tanner Shoes claim to sell premium shoes with fast shipping and great customer support. Sounds solid, right? But let's check what real customers are saying. On Trustpilot, there's a mix of reviews, but many of them are not looking good. Some people say they never received their orders or they got cheap knockoffs that didn't match the product images. Others mention no response from customer service and the refund process, basically non existent. Some of the positive reviews seem a little too polished, possibly fake or at least sketchy, and the site doesn't give a ton of info about who is really behind the store, which is a common red flag. So, is Tanner Shoes a scam? Not technically, but you might get a pair of shoes, but there's enough bad feedback and shady behavior to make it a risky buy. If you're after quality and peace of mind, it's probably better to shop somewhere with a stronger rep. Try Tanner Shoes yourself. Drop your experience in the comments, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more real talk reviews and trending stores and online deals.